Most people tell you to pick a profitable niche like finance or tech. That is a terrible idea for busy moms. And here's why. You'll end up promoting products you don't even care about. Supplies, meal planning kits, non toxic kids products. You're already researching these things for your family. Just turn that research into content. So when we jump back into the household hero niche, the meal plans, for your content, a few ideas that you can actually use. You can talk about ways you find new recipes. You can plan at least a week's worth of dinner at a time. That's something I would definitely love to see as I struggle with that myself. I can't tell you how many times, actually, it's all the time, it's almost all the time, that I'm usually asking around 4 5 o'clock before I get dinner on eating tonight. So yeah, I definitely can relate to that one. You can even do something about your technique or your approach to using to cooking with your slow cooker. Do you prep the meals ahead of time? Do you freeze them first and throw them in? It doesn't matter. All of these things sound really mundane because it's we do it because obviously either we enjoy it or we want something to eat. We need to eat right. Either way, it's still content. This is something that you can use just to get started, just to get out there. And then what makes it even better, as you're talking about these ideas and freezer to slow cooker or versus freezer to oven, whatever product you're using to make your recipes or equipment like the crock pot itself, where you purchased from Amazon, Target, Sims, or Costco, you can throw that affiliate link into your description and lead your audience to that link. That's it. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing right there. Second is the kid activity niche. Subscription boxes, educational toys, digital learning programs. Your hunt for the best activities for your kiddo is the content. And I don't know about you, but we are a few weeks in before summer break starts. So I'm actually in the process of doing this myself because already my youngest is talking about how bored he is. He already hates school. So I'm going to do the best to make sure this is a very enjoyable summer for him and his sister. So I'm already on the hunt for different activities, and I am huge on STEM, and they actually have STEM kits for kiddos, for them to just again educational things that they can do to get to stimulate their minds. And then if that is something, if that's your niche, if that's kind of your wheelhouse, you can talk about the various different subscription kits. I know KiwiCo, I've heard about them quite a bit actually. They offer subscription boxes for kids from newborn to 18 plus. So that's pretty cool. And you have other subscription boxes called Stitches or Stitch for Kids. It's best for budget friendly clothing. It offers classes like 2T through 18. So again, covering toddlers, kids, and tweens. So smaller range there, but it's something. And if you are familiar with those products, you can take the opportunity and plug in your link. You can go into price range. You can go into what specific subscription box. I mean, you can just do so much. It can range from toys, clothing, food, books, and even just crafts. So that is food for thought. Some topics there that you can use for that niche. Third, and my personal favorite, is the mom's sanity niche. Time management apps, comfortable clothing, self-care products, things of that nature, things that are used to save you time and stress. And you can sell it. You can totally sell that. You don't even have to get to anything too crazy. You can just, create a list. Find 18 top time management tips for busy mom. I mean, I can think of some off the top of my head Create a list of tasks that you can do all in one time. Definitely take care of yourself. That's something that I feel should be at number one on any person's list, especially a busy mom, because if we fall down and start falling apart, the entire operation crumbles right after. So our kids, family, they depend on us. So we definitely have to make sure we're taking care of ourselves. Another one, create a family schedule. Use time blocks. I know, delegate and share responsibilities. This is kind of where chores come in. You can have your kids assist you, or if you are married or have you and you have a partner, delegate certain tasks. Do things to lighten each other's load. This is your wheelhouse. If you've mastered that, or hey, maybe you didn't master any of these, but you're living it. It's not even about being an expert. If you're living it, share it. That's content. Someone out there is going to want to hear your experiences and what you're doing to better yourself, to improve your life. It's just that simple. The best niche is one you already live in. Your life becomes your content. And that's something that I had to kind of learn and really wrap my mind behind, because not you don't no one just wakes up knowing exactly what it is that they need to do. Some things in life we have to take action in order for there to be some sort of change. Being able to express yourself and using your day to day as content, that's a win, because you can't help but be successful, and you would never run out of content, because again, this is your life. And that's another thing, we'll definitely talk about authenticity as well, but you really don't have to talk about authenticity, because when you're doing this work, when you're creating this content and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, by you living it, that is you being your own. Finding your niche is step one. Building a full action plan is step two. So if you want the complete toolkit to do this yourself, including the one-page plan template and a 30-day content calendar, I've bundled it all into my affiliate starter kit. It has everything you need to get started this week. The link is right at the top of the description below. And again, if you got through this entire video, I do appreciate you. Appreciate you for being here. But if you can, in the comment section, go ahead and jot down what your niche is and why was that your choice. I can't wait to read it. All right. Thanks again for stopping by. I will see you in the next video.